Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about how to make slow motion video in your Honor smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to simply open your camera. Here you have to click on more, then you have to click on slow motion. Here it is. Then you have to slow motion video like this. Press on this red button and make a slow motion video like this. I will show you. And here it is, the video. You can see friends, this is how you can make your slow motion video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.